The OnePlus Nord 5 is a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone market, offering a compelling mix of features and performance that often punch above its weight class. Here's a detailed breakdown of its pros, cons, special features, and overall conclusion. Disclaimer: note that some specs, particularly battery capacity, may vary by region. The information below is based on a global launch and may not reflect every market. For pros: powerful performance. The Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 chipset provides flagship-level performance for gaming and demanding tasks, with excellent thermal management to prevent overheating. Stunning display. The 144Hz Swift AMOLED screen with a 1.5K resolution is a major highlight, offering exceptional smoothness, vibrant colors, and high brightness for excellent outdoor visibility. Excellent battery life and charging. The large battery capacity, especially in regions with the 6,800 mAh version, combined with efficient performance, provides long-lasting usage. The 80W fast charging is incredibly quick, and the bypass charging feature is a great addition for gamers. Strong software support. OnePlus's commitment to 4 major OS updates and 6 years of security patches is a significant advantage, ensuring the phone remains relevant and secure for a long time. Capable main cameras. The 50MP main and 50MP selfie cameras, both capable of 4K 60 frames per second video, produce sharp and detailed photos, especially in good lighting. The main sensor with OIS is a notable feature in this price segment. Useful AI features. The integration of Google Gemini and OnePlus's own AI suite provides practical tools that enhance the user experience. For cons: subpar ultrawide camera. While the main camera is good, the 8MP ultrawide sensor is described as serviceable but unremarkable and lacks the sharpness and detail of the primary lens, especially in low-light conditions. No wireless charging. A notable omission for a phone with many other high-end features. No headphone jack. A common trend, but still a con for users who prefer wired audio. Design change. The switch from the previous Nord model's all-metal body to a glass back and plastic frame may be a downgrade for some users who preferred a more premium, durable feel. Lack of telephoto lens. There is no dedicated telephoto lens, so any zoom beyond 2x is a digital crop, which can lead to a loss of quality. No eSIM support. The phone lacks support for an eSIM, relying solely on a physical dual SIM slot. For special features: Plus Key. A customizable button that replaces the traditional alert slider, allowing users to quickly access various functions, including AI tools. Aqua Touch. A display technology that improves touch responsiveness even when the screen or your fingers are wet, making it more practical for use in different conditions. Bypass charging. This feature is specifically designed for gamers. It allows power to be sent directly to the phone system, bypassing the battery and reducing heat buildup during intensive use, thereby preserving the battery's long-term health. Google Gemini integration. The phone deeply integrates with Google's AI assistant, offering enhanced capabilities for writing, summarizing, and more. 72-month fluency rating. The TVSD certification ensures that the phone's software will remain smooth and responsive for at least 6 years. Overall conclusion. The OnePlus Nord 5 is an excellent mid-range smartphone that offers an impressive blend of flagship-level performance and features at an affordable price. Its standout features are the powerful Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 processor, the brilliant 144Hz AMOLED display, and a massive battery with fast charging and the innovative bypass charging feature. The software experience is clean, fast, and supported by a long-term commitment from OnePlus. While it has some minor trade-offs, such as a less-than-stellar ultra-wide camera and the absence of wireless charging, these are small compromises for the value it delivers. The OnePlus Nord 5 is a particularly strong choice for users who prioritize gaming performance, a fluid display, and long-lasting battery life. It's a well-rounded device that represents a significant evolution in the Nord series and is a strong recommendation for anyone looking for a powerful and reliable smartphone that will last for years.